Well, it's by no means ready to fly yet, but we have up, down, left, right. If you hear that clicking, that's we got a broken servo gear already. So I'm gonna have to swap one of those out. Yeah, that's gonna be tough. There's a lot of load for this. Whee. Chop you around corners. So, should be interesting. It's on a 30-inch Nutball. Oh, let me turn this off. 30-inch Nutball, 2200 3-cell. Running currently have a 9x5 prop on there with a 1400 kV motor. Nothing too exciting. It'll have plenty of thrust. Ooh. See, compared to my hand size here, plenty of thrust, plenty of wing surface area to carry the weight. But like I said, gonna have to swap those servos out probably for Metal Gear ones because it didn't quite survive the static test. All right, so hopefully in the next couple of days we'll have some footage of this thing in the air. Yeehaw.